morning, everybody. It's about 6:45 or so. Time to get up and get moving. Yep. Yeah, this is what I wanted to wake up to. Wake up to a nice rolling stream, the sounds, the green forest. Perfect. It was time to hit the road and continue my journey to Missouri for the Moore Expo. With approximately 250 miles ahead of me, I wasted no time and set off early in the morning to embark on this exciting adventure. Well, we have officially made it to Moore and got the truck all set up, parked next to another Frontier. How cool is that? Let's go walk around and check it out. You see, everybody's set up pretty much. Still a couple of vehicles rolling in. The side-by-sides they got here are sick. This thing is awesome. They've got quite a few of them here.